Okay, again, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Dapat class pa na. Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So before we proceed with our discussion, let's have a quick game. This game is called viewing. I will show you an image and you will observe what you see. Are you ready, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the picture. So what's in the picture? Anyone?
A river.
Can you raise your hand?
A river,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, a river. Yes, Jairo.
Kangaroo.
Yes, kangaroo. Yes, Prasha. Yes. Here. Yes. Anything? So, what are your insights from the picture given? Yes,
I
I
think
know.
that picture shows ecosystem.
Yes, that's right. So thank you for your answer. So before we proceed, let's have another activity. This activity is called Find Meaning. So your task is to find the words. The words can be read vertically, horizontally, and backward, diagonally. You will please come in front if you want to answer. Yes, Philip? These 7 words. Yes. Please clap, Philip. Yes, Aero. Okay. Next. Yes. Yes, Alexis. Yes. Yes, Angie. Philip. 7 words po ito. Yes. Yes, Nicole. Yes, Alexei. I know. Marilyn. So, what are some of the keywords you found in the word search?
Land.
Sun.
Minerals, animals. So, anyone who can give me insight about those words? Yes, Francia? It's connected to ecosystem. Yes, that's right. So, what do you think our next topic will be our next topic? Yes?
I think our topic is all about ecosystem.
Yes, that's right. Specifically, we will discuss about components of our ecosystem. This is our learning objectives. Everyone, please read. Define
what is
an ecosystem. Differentiate biotic from abiotic components of an ecosystem.
Explain how biotic factors need abiotic factors to sustain life through illustration.
And this is our some of the terminologies that we will encounter throughout our discussion. Anyone? Angie, please read the ecosystem.
Ecosystem, a community of living organisms, biotic components, interacting with non-living elements and biotic components in a specific environment or in a complex and self-sustaining system.
Thank you. Yes, Philip?
Biotic components. All living organisms in an ecosystem, including plants, animals, or microorganisms and their waste products.
Yes. So,
Abiotic components, the non-living physical and chemical elements of an ecosystem such as water, air, soil, sunlight, temperature, minerals, and climate. These components support and influence the living organism.
okay, thank you so much. So, for you to know more about our topic, let's have another activity. This activity is called Put Me to Where I Belong. This is the instruction. The class will be divided into 2 groups. This will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. And You will follow the steps provided in the procedure carefully. Each group will have 10 minutes to complete the activity. And this is the materials that you will going to use. Manila paper, pen, and pen. This will be your the procedure. The students will observe their surroundings and list the things they see. After that, the students will identify whether it belongs to biotic or abiotic factors in an ecosystem. So, you're going outside. Going outside. I will say but this is the criteria po. Presentation 50%, punctuality 20%, teamwork 30%, and total of 100%.
Post mo na.
Saan ba yun?
Luwas pa ko ini kami kamo. Pero plus kita. Dapat sa dito. Dapat sa dito. Sa may pero man kita ko.
You done? that, I will give each group 100% because so with that activity, it deeply implies that the biotic factors are living organisms in an ecosystem like plants, flowers, cat, grass, butterfly, birds, human, trees, and well, abiotic factors is rock, soil, vehicles, buildings, tire, rock, soil. So biotic factors depend on abiotic factors for survival. For example, yung sabi na yung pinag-present ko na nga, plants needs sunlight. That is biotic. And for photosynthesis. And for animals need water, biotic factor for hydration. So, to help you better understand, ecosystem is an ecological community comprised of biological, physical, and chemical components